Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I'm going to talk about the around 100 courses, free courses on Coursera, and they also providing the free certification for these courses for a certain time. For this they will provide the promo code and you have to go through promo code. That's why you can able to avail this course. If you don't go through promo code, then they will not provide you this course on free. That means no free certificate. So now we'll move on to the topic and I will show you how you can avail this offer. So stick to the video and watch this full video. Before that, if you still not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it and please hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification for the upcoming videos. So now let's move on. Here, this is a blog which is written by the Coursera and they provide this blog. See here, the Coursera together free online learning during COVID-19. Because of this coronavirus, they will provide the opportunity for the students so they can learn, not for students, for everyone. They can utilize your free time and learn much more on the Coursera. So I will show you what are the courses available on free. See here, blogs. Here, the first topic is free online courses for mental health and well-being. Similarly, there are around 7 categories. Under these, the courses are available, and promo link I will provide you, so don't worry about it. For each category I will provide the promo link which will given in my description part, so you can go through that and select the subject that you want to study. So the first topic is mental health and well-being. Under this there are many courses like demystifying mindfulness, science of happiness, and other top courses. Mental courses are available in this category. Similarly, the second one is the high school student category. So this course is from math, calculus to the guitar for the beginner. And similarly, other courses are also there. I will show you the list of courses. And third one is for college student courses. They include preparing for interviews to learning data science courses. The next one is the career development. The career development for creative problem solving to personal branding. And next one is the building your cloud technology career. That means from machine learning to the cloud computing courses. The next one is understanding public health. That include the courses for coronavirus as well as for other communicating courses which will involve on global emergency. And the last category is the free online courses in Spanish. So I will provide for each link in description part that I already mentioned, and I'll give it on my description part so you can go through that. For demo, I will select the any one category. Under that I will show you how you can go for courses, how you can avail this course for the free. So follow me. Okay, I want to do a course on career development, so I select this category first. See here, the free courses for career development, and the courses are under this. First one course is converting challenge into opportunity, creative problem solving. See here, syllabus and 10-hour duration is there. Creative thinking, technique and tools for success. Next course is managing the company of future. Another course is communication strategy for a virtual age. So under these 5 courses, I like to enroll for this, that is the creative problem solving course. So I will click on this. See, so you have to wait for loading. Yes, after loading, this pop-up will be show on the top of your page that you have to be show. If it is not showing, then refresh again the page so that it can be visible. That means the Coursera together enroll today and get this course for free. That have to show in your link. That is the promo link. After showing this link, then click on enroll for free. Click on it. After that you have to create your account, that means sign up, put your full name, email ID and create a password and join for free. So no need to do anything, just put your name, email ID, password and join it. No other verification is needed. And I already created my account in this website, that's why I will log in. See here, I'll log in to my account, click on login option. After login, see here the purchase option will be show. The purchase course is $49 USD. See here it is mentioned your promotion will be applied at checkout. So you have to select this one option, that is purchase course, then click on continue. See here after clicking on continue, the course certificate is $49 here and discount is applied -49. That means your total amount will be 0. That means free. You have one, and click on pay now. See here, after that this course will be added on your account and you can click on it and continue your study. See, I will show you. See here option here, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. On this you can start from this option, that means start. Otherwise you can click on week 1 option on starting the class or course. You can set your goal, that means how many days you can spend for this class, means this course. So you can set your goal. Otherwise if you don't want, just click on not now, later you can make it. Click on not now, that will you go. See here the content will be started from this, so reading, then see here the content, assignments and review, quiz. So start from first option, click on reading, it will be appear this here, read everything. After that click as mark as complete, see, and go to the next item, next topic. See here the green marks, that means you complete this topic. And the second, watch this video. So in this way you can take the course that you want to study and improve your knowledge or learn something and utilize your free time. So until then, goodbye, take care, have a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.